What's up, everybody? Got something a little bit different for you today. We are working on my Silverado. It's the first mod we're gonna do to this. Open this up. We're gonna get rid of this big old beast, hopefully. So we're gonna get rid of this whole guy. I got a K&N cold air intake. So I'm gonna get a few clips of the stock versus the new stuff. Pretty much all you get with stock. Pretty absolutely quiet. So head down to the garage, see if we can change that. All right, everybody, here's what we got going on. Got the K&N intake all laid out. Boots seem pretty nice. Nice thick plastic. Here's like a little dyno sheet they gave you. They say it's guaranteed to increase horsepower, but you never really know. But they say so, so well, I guess we'll find out afterwards if it feels any different. But we'll move around to the front. There's the old intake. This thing is just a beast and unnecessary. So we're up here. Got the old one out, just taking the tray off over there. We're gonna start installing the other piece. Got the new airbox and filter mounted. Probably just gonna try and maybe set up a time lapse and bust through the rest of this, and then we'll get some sound clips. Just took the mass air sensor out of the old airbox. Got a new adapter plate for the K&N one. And it's gonna sit right in there. Get that done, then we'll head back around to the front of the truck for the rest of the time lapse. First start up with the new intake. See how it sounds. There it is. Let me know what you guys think. Thumbs up or down. Alright, you're gonna do a little like 0 to 30 or 40 test on this little road. Windows down. I don't know if you can tell on the GoPro, but it definitely sounds a little more mean than the stock one. Not as loud as I thought it was gonna be though. Alright, fast forward a few days. I've been driving with this intake. And my initial reaction when I said it wasn't as loud as I thought it was going to be, couldn't have been more far off, because the new intake has the perfect sound since the truck still does have the stock exhaust. It just gives it the perfect amount of rumble. So you still know you have a V8 under the hood. But really happy with it so far. Seems like it makes the truck a little peppier, but that's probably just the sound. But probably gonna end it there today. I'm gonna throw a few clips in of the Jetta. Me just rolling around town last week. Nothing to do with the intake install or anything. If this is your first time stopping in, please subscribe. Have a great day. Do another little pull here.